Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video I am going to talk to you about 5 ways you can make money on internet by staying at home. First of all, I need you to look at the digital world from business perspective. So every business you see in real world such as retail store, ration shop, medical store, sports shops and shopping mall can be converted into digital online store. Online platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart, which you are aware of, are acting as a shopping malls where different sellers can sell their products to the customers. So just as in offline world you buy or rent a place to sell your product or services, same as in digital world, you either create your website and sell your product and services, or you register with online aggregators such as Amazon or Flipkart to sell your products. So let's come back to topic. How can you make money by staying at home online? So number one is digital store, e-commerce business. So you can set up your digital store, which is a kind of a shop on internet. Choose the product you are interested in. It can be clothes, jewelries, electronic items, or even a fitness equipment. So for example, if you choose fitness category, you can set up your digital store using Shopify, which is kind of a e-commerce service which help you to develop a e-commerce digital store. Or if you want, you can set up your e-commerce website and sell your product there. Now the question comes, how do you find the right product to sell and to whom you should contact? So to do that, you can use dropshipping model, in which you contact manufacturer or wholesaler and you can post their product on your e-commerce website, and whenever a customer buys from your website, these manufacturer and wholesaler directly ship your product to the customer address which you provide. You can easily find these manufacturer either on India Mart website or AliExpress website. There are tons of manufacturer and wholesaler on this side. You can contact them and get in the contract. If you need any help to set up digital store or even to set up an e-commerce website, you can contact us through our website growjunction.com. Our team will help you to set up digital store or e-commerce website. Not just that, my team will help you at every step of the journey, from setting up digital store or developing e-commerce website to contacting the right manufacturer or wholesaler at an affordable rates. Number two is digital product. Nowadays, people can sell digital products such as email campaign templates, reporting analytics template, background musics, and ebooks, etc. on their e-commerce website. So you can earn money by doing that also. Number three is digital services. Website design development, app design development, social media marketing, SEO expertise, digital marketing, video editing, animation, etc. These services you can sell online by having your website. Number four is business support services. It can be consulting services. You can provide a consulting of any kind, IT to strategy to business, etc. Sales services, customer care services, virtual assistant, research services, financial and legal advice. These services are highly in demand, especially by the startups. If you have expertise in these services, you can provide these services to clients on hourly rates. Number five is e-learning courses. If you have a particular expertise in particular areas, you can design e-learning courses regarding that and sell that online. Although you can provide one-to-one classes, but it is not scalable. The money you make depend on the numbers of hours you put in teaching the lessons. Turning your lesson into online course make it scalable. This is a great way to get exponential sale without any operating cost. In other words, you can make money without putting any more time. But keep that in mind, there are a lot of digital courses available out there. So if you want to differentiate yourself, you need to find a specific niche. What do I mean by niche? Is a specific people you consider to whom you want to sell your course. Now there is a bonus tip. If you have your own website, and with time if you start having enough traffic, you can make money from Google. Google will advertise on your website if it has enough traffic, and through AdSense program you can get money from Google. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned something out of it. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another video.